guys, gala tayo. Ayun! Good morning, sunshine. This day, gagala tayo. Doon tayo punta sa bahay, sa lugar ni kasama ko, yun o, si Ricardo. Pupunta kami ng Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Alright? Sige, so this day, samahan nyo ko. Tingnan natin kung anong ma-discover natin sa daan as we wandering around dito sa Mindanao. Alright? Okay, see you later again.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't wanna play. You say we need a change. I feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online. It's not like we need them. Safe and
Checkpoint.
Oh, come on, man.
Bruh. Jollibee na dito. pasalubong? O sige, ikaw na una, kay kabalo na ka dire. Capital of Sultan Kudarat. Yeah. Decided. Ito yung capital nila. Tatlo ah. So, welcome to Sultan Kudarat. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo. I think yun yung... Kano talo?
Diba?
Saan na dyan?
Mo to provincial capital.
Oh,
Gym ni siya.
kani.
Hospital.
Oy. Alright. Picture lang kami.
Bruh.
Tawad.
Oh.
Bruh.
Provincial capital. Yes. Lake Cebu is 56 kilometers. Pwede. May 7-Eleven doon. Tayo, liliko. Sige, liliko tayo. Uy, matapang ka ha. Matapang siya. What is up guys? Dito kami ngayon sa Isulan. Kasama ko yung taga dito. Hello, kasama pamangkin niya. And we are now at the, ano to? Capitol? Plaza. Oh, Plaza ng Isulan. See? Yate, iikot natin. Ayan. Right? Yeah. Bye guys. Welcome to Nara Park ng Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Yes, samahan niyo ako. Tignan natin yung place. Kung ano meron dito sa Nara Park. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, there. Love, love.
Uy, mahal.
Hindi mahal yan, mura yan. Love, love. Smile. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Ito yung park. Look at this mess. So sad.
Bruh.
Daming basurahan. Gwapo sa park.
Tiger.
Bruh.
Mga plantito-plantito dyan. Look at this. Diba ang sayay? And sa kabilang side, Mga animal. Look at that.
Animal pag...
Oh, animal. Ay, animals, I mean.
Animal.
Saan ka nakakita ng
Panda.
panda sa Pilipinas?
Kung fu panda.
Yeah.
Panda pwede mong masakyan.
Paano? Yeah.
May ba?
Sige, sakay na, sakay. Sayang wala nakuha sa video. Yeah. Fly.
Yung Dumbo po to, si Dumbo.
Dumbo. Fly.
May elephant sa Pilipinas. Okay. Pinapala ko yung tulog.
Censored. Yun! Hey guys, dito na tayo magtatapos sa ating vlog. So, see you next time sa ating galaan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas everybody! Bye-bye Nan. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you. Alright.